here. I thought I'd share with you a couple of my mini albums I've made. Now, I know I haven't been doing a lot of videos in the last year or so, but I've sure been creating. So I thought I'd share with you. These are Stack the Deck mini albums. And I know Stack the Deck is not anything new, but honestly, I don't think I ever made one when they first came out. But I was at a crop a few months ago, and I was unintentionally teaching the ladies at my table how to make one of those pyramid mini albums, and Julie had showed me one of her Stack the Deck albums, and I'm like, oh, that's cool. So then she quickly wrote down the instructions for me and my friend, and so my friend and I made one of these, and then my friend Deborah and I, we hosted a scrapbooking crop. We rented a school area in the school, and we had our friends over and had a crop, and then I taught some of my friends how to make this one here. Now mine is a little bit different than Julie's. Julie had her corners rounded and she had a tie closure, whereas I wanted a magnetic closure on mine. And I don't think Julie had any flips. I'm not even sure if she had any tucks, but I know she didn't have any flips. So I'll share with you this one here, because you know I have to change mine up. I just can't stay with instructions. And I don't know the papers I used on here, but they are so pretty. I think I used them all because these are perfect for your 6x6 paper pad. It takes 24 if you're doing the flips, maybe even 26. But anyways, 24 pieces of 6x6 paper makes one of these. So it's perfect for using up your paper pads, because I'm sure we all have a whole bunch of 6x6 paper pads. I know I do. So let me show you the inside of the album now. Here, like I said, I use the magnetic closure. And that's how it looks, because it's all stacked up in there. And here's the first page, and I made a little pocket. And then the second page, I put an embellishment here, but I always, like, I don't even know if I'm going to put pictures in them. I just love to make these things. But if I do put pictures in them, I don't know what sizes I'm going to put in there. So if I put any embellishments, I like to not adhere the one corner. So if I need to put the corner of a picture in there, I can do that. This one here, I made another little tuck spot. This one here, this is where I made a flip up. And then this paper, isn't this, it's just so pretty. And I didn't want to cover it up. I'll put a couple little photos, like maybe one here and one here, but I don't want to cover up the paper. It's so pretty. This one, here's another flip, a flip up, if I can grab it. There we go. And then here is another little tuck. You can tuck pictures or whatever you want in there. Then again, a little embellishment I put on there. And then the very back page, I put a pocket. And then there's the back. But isn't that so pretty? I just love those papers. And what I try to do is, okay, so, because I really, like, uber focus on certain things. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to keep this simple. I'm going to try and keep the pages the same. So the inside pages were like this. They're the same. And then this one here, the next two down, they both have a flip. Then when you take the next two, they both have like tucks in them or pockets. Then these ones, this one and this one, they have the embellishments, and then the last two have pockets. Just so I didn't have to like go crazy focusing on that. And then here's the second one. This paper I do have, but I think I used all these. And this was not a 6x6. I think this was like maybe 8x8, or it was a little bit bigger than a 6x6 pad anyway. And then this one here, this is the paper I used for these ones. So these ones I haven't decorated like that one. Like I haven't gotten to the pockets because I ran out of time. But my friend had these. My friend Denise gave me these little tags to stick on my flaps. And these ones I cut a little half circle out for the tucks on these ones. And that's the center. Then this one I thought it was fun because that camera, I fussy cut it out and pop dotted it, and it fit right exactly on that frame. And then again, we have another flip up. You can have a flip sideways, a flip up, whatever. And there's that one. And then here's another little tuck in here. And then again, I did the magnetic closure. But my one friend used, like, you have those envelopes with the loops you put the string on. She had a closure like that, which I thought was pretty cool too. So lots of different ideas. But you know what? I am in the works of doing a tutorial on how to make these. And once I do that, I'll post it. And I just wanted to share these with you because sometimes the videos take too long if you share as well as do a tutorial. So I thought I would share these first and then I'll do the tutorial in another video. So I'm just trying to put out more videos, especially right now with social distancing. I've been posting some of these to my friends group just so they can all, even though we can't get together to craft, because we usually craft every Friday night and we can't get together now to do that, so at least we can do it virtually. So I posted my last tutorial on our Facebook page so we could all craft. Even though we're not together, we can make the same thing and then share it on there. So we've been making the most of it, the best of it. But anyway, thank you everybody. Stay safe out there, and I hope you all have a creative day today. Bye now.